counter.
DLSU to Rockwell?
Rockwell? Parang I'm not feeling well though.
So, comedian ka na ba? Guys, may comedian na guys.
Pero buti lang, mas malapit na ngayon. Yung last time kasi, SM North EDSA.
Wala siya eh.
Eh, I'm not well nga.
Ang corny mo. By the way guys, nag-vlog lang kami kasi walang stand. Ginagamit nyo na lahat.
Sa mga mag-graduate dyan, happy graduation.
Hindi ba?
Let's go!
1 hour, 18 minutes walk. Go.
Guys, since papunta kami Rockwell, bato counter.
University counter 1. First time, new road kami. Like, tignan mo ang linis oh.
Sidewalk rating 7. Ay, actually 6 kasi medyo masikip dito.
Makati!
Ilaw counter.
Ilan live?
Only green. Uy, bato counter 2. Okay, let's go.
Ayan yung balasan.
Tayo counter 1.
Category drive. Punta na tayo sa paborito namin unwalkable parts. Bato counter.
Sidewalk rating. 3 out of 10.
Rock counter. Hindi ko malapit na tayo sa Rockwell. Madami ng bato eh. Category drive. Alam nyo na. Bato. Pre, nakapink pa siya oh.
Babasa muna kami comments ngayon guys.
Hi, counter!
Hey!
Na-record ko yun.
Just proves we need more human-friendly sidewalks. Guys,
I agree.
we need better sidewalk guys. Government, kung pinapanood nyo to, let's change the Philippines. Please.
One step at a time, guys. Next comment, LSU to Sensing Sorting Center.
Doon yung mga kamag-anak mo.
Wala actually. Soon guys, honestly. I'm meeting my cousins there.
Spy po ba kayo? Yeah, I was born in a barn.
3 hours spice.
Ching chong ding bong.
So guys, buong walk, wala pa kaming tubig. Sobrang dry na ng lips mo. Ba't parang ang floppy pa ng lips mo? Ako? Oo.
Bakit siguro yung lip balm na ginamit ko ngayon? Cancel me yun. Ay, dala ko. Gusto mo yun,
O tara, di. Pwede ka ba try?
Ganda nga ito bro kasi may SPF 35 pa ito bagay ito sa wax natin.
Ba't parang lipstick? Pwede ba yung pang guys?
Bro, may 7 different colors sila. May pang lalaki rin sila oh. Ito, try mo pre. Ang bilis lang nito gamitin eh. Mag-click ka lang. Sa bottom lip mo na bro. Ano? Parang
Wala na?
nag-glossy na yung lips niya.
Let's go guys!
Uy.
May extra ka pa ba pang lalaki?
Ito bro, ito.
Mukha kang gisa bro.
Okay, cut!
Okay itong kulay ah. Parang ito yung mga nakikita ko sa internet, yung glass lips. Mukha na ba ako gisa bro?
Super.
Kiss mo.
Uy, Chomay! University counter 2. Ang kingdom of po ah. Definitely please collab. Tayo counter. Tapos pala yung nagsisira ng daanan guys.
Category fresh guys.
Tayo counter.
Sinelas challenge. Kagising ko lang kasi kanina nakalimutan ko magdala. Sunset counter. Ganda ba bro?
Oo, yung sunset, hindi ikaw. Sidewalk rating 0 kasi walang sidewalk.
1.6 kilometers left guys. 23 minutes. Let's go.
Sino nagtanong?
Rock counter.
Jerry's night version. Sige Lex, mag-explore kami ng abandoned ng gabi. Rock counter, small edition. What am I doing with my life? Why am I counting food? Why am I counting rocks? I should be doing better. Something to like help the society or something.
This video is for those who doesn't know how to commute from DLSU to Rockwell. We're doing this for you guys.
Guys, ang delikado maglakad sa gabi. Don't try this at home.
Paano mo ito itatry sa home? May tahanan ba sa bahay mo?
Ready, try this inside guys.
Ha?
Press ano tayo?
Ayun. Ay, power black. Where's Rockwell? Okay guys, tanungin natin sa guard kung saan yung Rockwell.
Nasa Rockwell na po eh.
Ito na yun. Tawag dito Rockwell. Thank you po.
Nasa Rockwell na pala tayo. We're here guys.
Aircon.
Saan yung well na may rock? We're here guys, Rockwell. Ganda ng Rockwell. Guys, we found the well.
Fountain naman yun eh.
I think I'm feeling well now.
According to this.
Guys, ito yung Rockwell lights na nag-comment. There's a lot of lights here, so I'm not sure.
Final rocks count.
DLSU to Rockwell. Done.
You guys already know the drill. Comment down below where to next from DLSU to where.
Ba't mo pa sila pinapa-comment nyo ako na nga maglakad?
Never na ako maglalakad na chinelas lang.
Always wear shoes, guys. Comment down below anong bagong series pwede namin gawin. Hashtag.
Yeah, what he said.
See you guys. Peace out.
Bye-bye.